This is a basic French braid on one half of your hair. Begin by parting your hair down the middle and securing half of it out of the way. If you have some baby hairs or flyaways like me, you can use a hair product like a paste before you start this braid. Grab a section of hair at the front and divide it into 3 sections. Then begin a crossing over braid. After a stitch or 2, the next time you're getting ready to cross over this section closer to your face, grab an additional bit of hair from your scalp nearby. Incorporate it into that section and then cross the whole thing over to the center position. Now you're going to do the same thing on the other side near your part. Use your fingernail or a comb to scoop up a neighboring section of hair and make it part of the braided section as you cross it over. Then do it again on the side closer to your face. Smooth the sections as you go, either with your fingers or a brush. It's okay if it doesn't look super neat this time. You'll get better with practice. Continue braiding along the side of your head, adding hair to each section as you go. Braid until you run out of hair to add, and then anything else that's left over you can just finish with a regular braid. Secure the tail with a small elastic or crisscross bobby pins if your hair is super short. Now braid the other side.